Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tranquil, together with Riva. So for today, we're gonna unravel the magic behind scalars and vectors, the two fundamental concepts in physics, and see how they play a vital role in our everyday lives and the future.
That's right, partner. Scalars and vectors are like the superhero of physics ready to save the day. So are you guys ready for a fun and informative discussion? What are you waiting for? Let's check him out!
So for tonight, we're gonna have two special guests to help us understand this exciting world better. So for our first guest, let's welcome Mr. Scalar.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for having me. It is a pleasure to meet you all.
So Mr. Scalar, what are you and how can you help the people for their daily lives?
I'm here to represent the scalars, the simple yet essential numbers in physics. Think of me as your speedometer, your temperature gauge, and even your age. I provide the magnitude but with no direction.
So Mr. Scalar, you're saying that you're everywhere in our daily lives. You help us measure time, temperature, and so much more. So can you give us an example on how you work?
Of course. Imagine you're driving a car and you want to know your speed. Just look at the speedometer of your car and there's a number. For example, it says 60 kilometers per hour. That's me. I'm the scalar in action, telling you how fast you're going. So now that we know what scalar is,
Ngayong Pasko, Shopee Free Shipping! Ano man ang gusto, Shopee Free Shipping!
welcome our second guest, Mr. Vector.
So thank you for having me as well. I'm here to represent vectors, the superheroes of direction and magnitude. I'm like a GPS, telling you not only how far, but also which way to go. And I'm also like the wind, guiding a kite through the sky.
So Mr. Vector, you provide the what and the when. Can you please share us an example on how you work in our daily lives?
Sure. Think about an airplane taking off. It's not enough to know how fast it's going. You also need to know in which direction. I'm the vector that helps the airplane take off and land safely. I give both magnitude and direction for the pilot to follow.
So scalars and vector, you work together like a team. But how about in the future? How will you shape our lives? In the future, we will become more crucial. Think about technology and data. The speed in which data travels and the temperature of our devices. These are all scalars. We will play a critical role in the advancement of technology.
And don't forget about transportation and navigation. The future will see more autonomous vehicles and spacecraft. I'll guide them through space, ensuring they reach their destinations with precision and accuracy. That's incredible. So, in essence, scalar and vectors are not only used for our everyday lives. It can also be integral for our future, making technology and innovation possible. Yes.
Absolutely. We are the unsung heroes of the physical world, making things work seamlessly.
Well, we certainly appreciate your contributions. And it's been a pleasure having you. Once again, thank you, Mr. Scalar and Mr. Vector, for a very informative discussion about this topic.
We've learned that even the simplest concepts can help us profound our daily lives as well as in our upcoming future. Once again, I am JJ Riva and this is my partner Ralph O. And thank you for listening to our discussion. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Goodbye!
Bye-bye.
You.